Whether you're just starting your photography journey or looking to enhance your gear, having the right accessories can make all the difference. Here are 10 must have accessories for the beginner photographers in 2024 that maybe you haven't considered yet. First up is the L bracket. This simple yet incredibly versatile accessory allows you to quickly switch between portrait and landscape orientations without adjusting your tripod setup. It really is a game changer for landscape and architectural photographers who really need stability and precision. Now, alternatives to an L bracket will include a full camera cage or a rotational lens collar. Personally, I really like the rotational lens collar because it's small, lightweight, and very easy to use. You don't even have to take your camera off your tripod to change orientations. Just push a button and rotate your camera. However, if you need to add accessories to your camera, well, then a full camera cage is a must. Videographers have been using cages for many years to really rig out their camera. From microphones to lights to SSD drives, batteries, and monitors. A camera cage is the MacGyver of camera gear. Next, we have the remote trigger. Whether you're into long exposure photography, self-portraits, or just want to reduce camera shake, a remote trigger gives you the flexibility to capture the perfect shot without physically touching your camera. You can choose wired or wireless remote triggers. Wired is more dependable and will always fire unless it becomes damaged, or if it takes batteries, the batteries could run out of power. However, wired remotes limit the distance you can be from your camera. This may not be a factor with like landscape photography and long exposures, but if you want to do self-portraits, you'll need a timer to go along with the wired trigger. Wireless remote triggers allow you to be farther away from your camera, giving you the ability to actually be in the photo. However, they can also be undependable and not always trigger the shutter. Alternatively, you can always use your phone with the app from your camera brand. It will allow you to compose your shot right from the photo. You can actually see what the camera sees right in the photo or in the app. However, these apps tend to be a bit laggy, a little bit buggy, and they can be a pain to pair up with your camera. The battery grip is another essential accessory, especially for those who shoot extensively with portraits. It not only doubles your battery life, but it also provides a more comfortable grip for vertical shots. It's actually also a must-have for event and wildlife photographers who can't afford to miss a moment. Gives you that extended battery life. Wedding photographers definitely need that. It'll add some bulk to your camera, but its comfort is definitely appreciated on long photo shoots. Neutral density filters are crucial for controlling exposure in bright conditions. They allow you to use a slower shutter speed for stunning long exposure effects, making them favorable among landscape and cityscape photographers. In landscape photography, single NDs are preferred over variable ND filters. Variable ND filters can cause the crisscrossing effect on your image. So when you do buy your filters, make sure you buy higher end filters. Don't buy these cheap ones off of Amazon. For those who love portrait and macro photography, a portable light panel can be a lifesaver. It provides constant light, adjustable lighting that can be perfect for highlighting details and adding depth to your image. I've used LED lights to create the illusion of golden hour by adding a warm glow to flowers and plants, etc. A quick release system like the one made popular by Peak Design have really changed how you can carry your camera. By attaching a specially designed base to your camera bag, your strap, or your tripod, allows you to quickly take your camera off and on your tripod, or your camera strap, or your backpack strap. Then you could take your photos and then reattach it either back to your strap or to your camera bag or even back on your tripod. Personally, I love the quick release made by Falcam because it's a complete system. They have attachments for your camera strap, backpack strap, tripod, or anywhere else that you can attach one of their bases to. I really think Peak Design dropped the ball when they created their capture clip. It's an awesome clip. It works great, but they didn't continue on like Falcam did by making one for your camera bag and for your camera strap, etc. So Falcam, great job. A high quality camera bag is essential for keeping your gear organized and protected. Look for one with customizable compartments, or better yet, one that actually has an insert that you can take in or out. Also, make sure it has enough space for all your gear and accessories. More importantly, make sure the bag is comfortable to wear, especially on long hikes. I love Shimoda design bags since they are specifically designed for adventure hikers and they can be worn for hours without discomfort. They're durable, they can handle the elements. I mean, they're great. They also have a metal frame which keeps the shape of the bag, dispersing the weight so it doesn't all sit on your shoulders or on your back. It really spreads it out good. A good camera bag is an invaluable tool for any photographer on the go. Keeping your gear clean is crucial, and comprehensive cleaning kit is a must-have. It includes everything from lens cleaning solutions to sensor swabs to a blower like the rocket blower, ensuring that your equipment stays in top condition no matter where your photography takes you. A word of warning though, if you don't feel comfortable cleaning your camera sensor, take it to your local camera shop to be cleaned. The sensor is a very fragile part of your camera, and you really do need to avoid damaging it. It's really not hard to do, but it can be stressful. A rain cover is often an overlooked accessory that can be a lifesaver in unpredictable weather. It protects your camera and the lenses from moisture, allowing you to shoot in challenging conditions without worrying about water damage. Especially if you're by the ocean with that salt water, it'll actually keep the salt water off your camera. Even though many cameras are weather sealed, it's always better to err on the side of caution. Plus, if you get a camouflage rain cover like this one, it'll help break up your shape for wildlife photography. An external monitor is a fantastic addition for videographers and for photographers who want more detail, a larger screen to view their shots. It makes framing, focusing, and reviewing your footage much easier, especially in bright outdoor environments. Now, while a basic monitor is really all you need, one like the Atomos Ninja 5 or V, however you want to call it, can also record your viewfinder while you're taking photos. Now, this is awesome for using the clips in videos like tutorials like I'm making now of your photography, or just having the video to show your family and friends, and then they can see your settings and everything like that. They're a little pricey, the Atomos Ninja, but I tell you, it's well worth it if you can afford it. These accessories can significantly enhance your photography experience, making your shoots go smoother, more enjoyable, and ultimately more successful. Explore these options and take your photography to the next level in 2024. Take care, everyone.